Good morning, people. Today I have a Fusion video for you. More precisely, importing a step file into Fusion, and I'm going to talk about pop-up you get. Let me see if I can find it here. Whenever you import a converted step file, like I take a mesh and I rerun it and fix the polygon account with Rhino 8, for instance, then whenever I try to import the step file, which is actually a NURB file, which is more like the type of file that Fusion holds, and then you keep getting this message here: Active Design cannot contain components, because of course I started making the design using a component, so new, and then I use part design because I'm designing a part and not designing an assembly. Assembly is usually when you have a lot of parts are supposed to work together and stuff like that. So I've always just made parts, but at some point these parts have ended up as assemblies without me actually doing anything special. And I didn't really understand that until today, because let's see. So this is an assembly design. I cannot use that. I have to close it. Don't. Okay. So let's say I have this. This is a file I converted to a NURB file using Rhino 8. When I try to drag that in, I get this error. And the reason you get this is because an assembly is the only design space that can contain components, or actually more precise, you cannot in a part design like this, you cannot import components. You cannot insert a new component into a parts space, because you can create several objects here, but it just will not let you import any kind of it cannot let you create more components, and it will not let you import, say, a step file which is composed of many faces. Like in this case, if I double click this, you'll see here is a really smooth, but it's composed of several bigger chunks of surfaces. And this is something that happens when you try to recreate a NURB file using Rhino. So my original idea was I wanted to use the smoother step file from Rhino, which I created with Rhino, and use that to create the model I want to 3D print. But I kept getting this error, and I insisted to myself that I did not want an assembly, because if you go and select new, then an assembly is basically many parts. Now maybe this is the, let's try that one. I haven't tried a hybrid design. Let's see what that is. A file, new, and hybrid design. Maybe you can drag a component in there. Okay, so it does allow that. Okay. So hybrid design is basically a mix of assembly and parts design, apparently. So you can drag it in there. I have no idea the difference between that and an assembly. I haven't read up on that. But if you ever get that message that you have to convert your design, then the way to do it is not so hard. So if you have your parts design here, then you can right click can go here and you can click edit, convert to sign type, and then from the drop down here you can just select assembly or hybrid. Let's say I want a hybrid, and click convert, and now you see it changed to hybrid design. Now you can drag in the object without getting any errors or anything. So if you drag it in like this and you want to have that step file in this space only, then you can go and you can select break link, and that will then prevent it from getting updates from the original source that it had. And basically what happens is it makes its own part when you import it. So it has a component. So just thought I wanted to share that because it kept me puzzled for a long time why I couldn't sort of import the models I could work on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.